Hi friends, welcome back to AvanPakasastram. I hope everyone is doing good. I am fine. Today we will make fryums with onion pakoda fryums. This is one variety of pakoda fryums, onion fryums. There are many varieties. You can check in our channel. What we need for this: sliced onions as pakodas, uradal paste, green chili paste, and salt according to the taste. Just initially, we have to take a bowl, add salt into it, add onions into it, green chili paste, and soaked and grinded uradal paste. Mix all these ingredients very well. This is one varieties of onion fryums. There we can make it in any other way varieties or any other shapes. Just I had made three varieties and you can check the different varieties in the YouTube channel also. And we will make pakodas. We will eat fritters na, like that we can eat this also, basing upon the sun heat. Basing upon the heat, it will take 1 day, it will take 2 days, it will take 3 days maximum. Right now it is only taking 1 to 2 days, it's not taking much time. We have to scatter it properly. It should not, it will dry very fastly and easily. I have made it in small quantity. You can make it in large quantity also, basing upon your requirement. Just once try it, and if you like it, make it. You have to try this in under sun, and after try it, this is the situation. And now we have to take a oil, take a pan, and deep fry it. Add oil into it and deep fry the pakoda fry, and enjoy it with your dal or chutney or whatever it is. It is up to you. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it, and subscribe it for more updates. Jai Hind.